Project Introduction. There are two sections of this airline reservation system, customer and administrator part. The administrator is employed by the airline authority. Customer can visit the website and new customer can join up for online access. The system allows the customer to look for flight available between the two travel locations for a specific departure and arrival dates. The system shows all flight information such as check-in flight schedules, ticket price, booking and paying for tickets, displaying promotion and cancelling and refunding orders. The airline system primary objectives are to minimize human error from the airline reservation process and make it easier for a customer to book flight whenever they want.
The main function of our system is the system will be accepted the customer's origin, destination, departure and arrival date. The system will provide flight schedule as well as flight ticket fare, allowing customer to simply verify their schedule and pricing. The next one is customers can also use their booking number to recheck their booking information and do online checking. Add-on services are also available for baggage, food, seat and insurance. If customers have problem with their tickets, they may quickly cancel them and get refund by contacting the customer service.
Next is elicitation technique. There are three types of elicitation technique that we use in this project. The first one is the brainstorming. By brainstorming, it will give chance for stakeholder and developer to propose a creative concept and able to save time. The second technique that we use is by surveys or questionnaires, which is suitable for a big set of stakeholder and it is able to save time and much more simple. Okay, for the third technique that we use is by interview. By interview, the developer will have direct contact with the stakeholder to gather requirement or to resolve any issues that arise over that period of time. And then there are two types of interview, that is structured and unstructured. But for this project, we use structured interview as we already prepare a set of questions that we want to ask to the stakeholder. Again, then the interviewer must be open-minded, aware of political issue, and expect the interviewee to respond to the question based on the interviewer's requirement.
For our system wireframe, as you can see, this is our website homepage wireframe where all promotion information will be shown here for users to choose. Next, this is our login and registration wireframe where users can log in or sign up a new account. Next, this wireframe is for users to fill in their desired flight information. And in the next wireframe, it will show the available flight reservation as the users wanted. For the next one, it is for add-ons wireframe. The users can choose any add-ons that they wanted for their flight. Next is for payment wireframe. As we can see, the users can choose the payment method and they will have to pay the required amount for their flight reservation. And the last one is for check-in information wireframe. The users have to fill in the booking number and their name to print their boarding pass. So that's all for our airline reservation system wireframe. Thank you.
After elicitation, we proceed with requirement validation. So in requirement validation, we will use requirement reviews approach to check whether the requirements meet up to the needs of the stakeholder or not. And here it is. These are the requirements that have not met up to the stakeholder needs. With that, we will fix the requirement that requires changes in the requirement maintenance and management. So in order to fix this, we have provided change request form which containing the change description, the impact of the change, and also a signature space for the stakeholder as proof that they agree with the changes.